Y'all, this is a perfect time of year for y'all to make this recipe. It's stupidly easy. I'm using, this is frozen corn, isn't it? Or is
Yes.
it canned? Yeah.
No, it's canned.
Oh, it is canned. Okay,
cans.
2 cans, 2 large cans of whole kernel corn, some diced up purple onion, and that's nice and small. It's kind of minced, which is good, and some minced green bell pepper, or you could use a red bell pepper. I wouldn't use yellow because the corn's yellow. But this green is awfully pretty. And a cup of mayonnaise. Getting easier, isn't it? Getting more easy. All right. We got 2 ingredients to add. And that is cheese. How much cheese do I want to put? 2 cups. So this is 2 cups right here. 2 cups.
Sure is.
So that's perfect. I don't have to measure that out. Wonderful. All right, the last ingredient that goes in here, y'all, you don't want to put it in until you're ready to serve, because this reminds me kind of that Chinese coleslaw that I make. Or Asian coleslaw. I can't remember how it's listed, but it's such a good coleslaw. And at the very end, you mix, what is that stuff that college kids?
Ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles. Yes, you crush up ramen noodles and stir that in, and it's delicious. But they will get soggy, so you don't want to put them in until it's time to eat. So you know what I'll do? I'll just give you a little bit. And you want to stir in, what size bag is this? A 10.5-ounce bag, I believe, Teresa.
Yes, ma'am.
Of chili cheese Fritos. Just a little bit. And I'm just mixing together what I can eat. You can't get any faster and easier than this, can you? Or delicious. I do love corn salads. It's so good. You know, it's true. The simple things in life are so good. Oh. Since that recipe was so quick, I wanted to share a little story with you. And this is from Lindsay Pirelli. And she sent me a recipe a few years ago for pineapple pudding, and we made it. She lives in Massachusetts, a quaint coastal town. And she just adores you and your Love and Best Dishes show. Thank you. Thank you, Lindsay. She has a 9-month-old son. And I made him nacho mamas banana pudding last weekend, and he devoured it. I wish I had taken a photo to send you. It was adorable and a big hit. But Lindsay goes on to say that she enjoyed the tour of the garden that Eddie and I took y'all on. She said the hydrangeas were so beautiful. And she said, I look forward to your show every night after a long day of diapers, bottles, and commotion. You're so comforting and remind me of my late grandmother. Let me tell you something, Lindsay. There's not a nicer thing you can say to me to put my name in the same sentence with mama or grandmama. I feel that's a big honor, and I thank you, honey. So she was out shopping the other day, and she and her mother collect the buyer's dolls that we put out for Christmas. And I just adore them. I've started all 4 of my children with, all 5 of them, with their own set of buyers' dolls. But Lindsay found this one, and this is one of those dolls that you can keep out all year long because it doesn't scream Christmas. Hello, kindergarten. He just walked in. I'm not totally crazy yet. Thank you for showing him, Eddie. So I'm not talking to myself. But Lindsay said when she saw this, she just thought of me and Eddie out there in the garden filming those beautiful flowers. Lindsay, I love her. And I have nothing even similar to her. So I'm going to leave her out year round. Thank you so much, baby. And I always send y'all love and best dishes. And this is one of the best dishes, right? Right.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.